The next kit in our current line is the 3100 General Purpose Assortment. This specialty kit is for general purpose sanding, grinding, and cutting of metals, plastic, and wood. All shanks in this kit are 1/8 inch. Let's review the 134 pieces. 36 red cutoff discs. 36 3/4 inch sanding discs, medium grit for smoothing and shaping wood. 20 heavy-duty cutoff wheels for fast, wider grooving of metals and plastic. 16 1/2 inch sander bands, coarse and fine grits for wood and fiberglass. They are used for applications from rough shaping to final smoothing. 6 aluminum oxide grinding stones and 4 silicon carbide grinding stones, both in the most popular shapes. 6 grinding wheels. 6 1/2 inch heavy-duty cutoff wheels. 2 1/4 inch fiberglass reinforced cutoffs. These are multi-purpose and shatterproof. 1 drum sander for use with all 1/2 inch sander bands. 1 standard flange mandrel for use with all cutting and polishing wheels as well as sanding discs. The 3200 kit is our woodworker's assortment. It features 206 pieces for carving, slotting, sanding, shaping, and smoothing wood. The contents include 36 red cutoff discs, 36 coarse, 36 medium, and 36 fine 3/4 inch sanding discs, 20 heavy-duty cutoff wheels, 36 sander bands. There are 12 1/2 inch, 12 3/8 inch, and 12 1/4 inch. Each set comes with 6 coarse and 6 fine bands. In association with these, there are 3 drum sanders for use with the 1/2 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/4 inch sander bands. This kit also has 2 grinding stones and 1 1/8 inch standard flange mandrel.